Power carving is something that I've been learning to do for a while now. It's really fun and amazingly versatile. Let me show you what I mean. In the past, I've used ArborTech's products to carve a super cool table from a huge chunk of cottonwood. And I've tried my hand at carving bowls from green wood I salvaged from a yard waste drop-off site. And now, ArborTech has come out with its own grinder specifically designed to work with its carving tools. And they've even come out with some really cool accessories, like this planing attachment. So with all this cool new stuff to try out, I had to come up with a project. You know, I'd made a table before, I'd made bowls, now I wanted to try doing art. As you can see, my artistic skills haven't improved much past my last 5th grade art class. However, I'm pretty sure that in the 22nd century, there'll be something like the Antiques Roadshow, and this piece will be there, and they'll be discussing the intricacies of folk art. But I digress. Let me show you how I made this thing. It was really fun. I created my canvas from some 2 by 10 Douglas fir planks. I glued them together, having cut them to about 36 inches in length. With the slab secured on the workbench, I started out with the new planing accessory from ArborTech. I really did not need to use it, but I wanted to try it out. I can see how this accessory will be a great product. I can't wait to try it on a log. Now I want to carve a repetitive texture into the slab. I used the TurboPlane blade in the new chip catcher from ArborTech. The carving was very controllable. Next up, some sanding. The new sanding head from ArborTech is a super useful product to go along with their carvers. Here, I wanted to get some of the textured areas smooth and leave other regions rough. On a side note, I can't wait to try this sander when I'm turning bowls on my lathe. My masterpiece now needs some finishing. I used a 3-step process. After sanding, I wiped on a seal coat of shellac. Next, I wiped on a stain to add color, deepen the carved texture, and wipe mostly off of the high points. To paint my pine tree, I made a template from some plywood and then literally splattered the paint onto the slab. Sadly, this is about the best I can do when it comes to art. But all in all, I was kind of happy with the results. Okay, while my artistic skills may not be inspiring, these new products from ArborTech really are. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Maybe you learned a couple of things. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal. Thank you for watching.